I nominated Helen for Best Personal Tutor of the Year because I can't think of anyone else who deserves it more. She is the smiliest, happiest, politest person you could ever meet. I've been in her office in the past 2 years, kicking, screaming, crying, happy, overjoyed, just every emotion, and she just sits there and just says, okay, this is good because of this, and she just helps you so much. Her office door is always open. I can't think of a more comfortable person I'd like to go and talk to, whether it's problems with university or money or home life, just any attribute of my life, I can talk to her about it. I think the main reason I think Helen deserves this award, personally, from a personal point of view, is because I'm now redoing my second year because I really struggle with exams. And in the summer just gone, Helen rang me up at home and said, listen, Soph, don't worry about it, but it's totally up to you whether you come back and redo your year, but I know you can do it. And I really was tempted to just give up on my biggest aspiration, which is to be a teacher in secondary schools teaching science. I love the course I do marine biology and I absolutely love it, but there was a part of me where I just thought I can't do this anymore. And it was Helen's voice I kept hearing over the summer period, and she made me come back and do it, and I'm getting better marks. I feel more comfortable. I can't thank her enough for pushing me just that little extra mile to get where I want to be, because I'm the happiest I've ever been right now.